time to get this thing back out, get back to work. Right, time for the old impact driver. The wheels all off and blocked up. The next thing is probably taking these axles off. Got these 4 bolts here to take off, and a little bit more work with the disc brakes because I don't really want to cut the lines here, so I might just unbolt the calipers off. Go from there. Well, it was a lot of work with the grinder, with the old wire brush. Kind of skipped through some of it because it's pretty boring work. You don't really want to see all of that. But yeah, it's pretty much done the top side. There's a little bit probably to do on the underside. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll get some steel, weld up some of the frame before I flip it, so I can weld the underside and paint it, make it all pretty. It's probably what I'll do next, is some welding. Thanks for following along and watching my progress. If you want to subscribe and like and all that stuff, hit the little notification bell. It all helps out. Thanks.